I just like to share with you what is my meal for the day. Here I'm cooking chicken with garlic, onions, and red pepper, and I just add a few pieces of pineapple. So I will call it chicken pineapple, and I will have them with my favorite veggies: broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes, onions, and of course the seasoning that you prefer. I use all seasoning and a little bit of black pepper. It depends on how I feel. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado when I'm ready to eat my lunch. So this is about 2 meals and chicken, and this is probably the same, 2 meals. So that's my meal for the day. Remember, I am 4 weeks out, so I'm minimizing complex carbohydrates. I have my oatmeal this morning, so this is my carbohydrate for the day, my veggies, and 4 to 5 ounces of amazing pineapple chicken. I say pow, you say wow, pow. And then waiting is my tea to be prepared or to be added the lemon. Okay, pow, wow.